I'm Nora, welcome to another video. Today we are going to make some gingerbread cookies. Not gingerbread man because I don't have the gingerbread man cutter, but that's okay because I have these cute Christmas cookie cutters. And this is a very simple recipe with only 8 ingredients, so without further ado, let's get started. First, grab a mixing bowl, add some wholemeal plant flour, and some spices including cinnamon, ginger, clove, and a pinch of salt. Baking powder, give them a mix, and then add maple syrup or any other vegan syrup you like, melted coconut oil, and mix them all together. At first it might seem a bit dry, but once you mix everything together, it should more like a cookie dough. And then here, I almost forgot, preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius. And after that, we are going to use baking paper as our baking mat. So just transfer the cookie dough onto the baking paper and then press it down with your fingers to make them kind of stick together. It doesn't have to be perfect here. And then let's put on another piece of baking paper here and use a rolling pin to roll it out. Make sure to roll it out evenly but not too thin. I'd say around 3 to 4 millimeters. And voila, it should look like this. And here's the fun part, to cut out those cute cookies. Here I used some very Christmassy cookie cutters like Christmas tree, snowman, Santa Claus, and what else? Oh, snowflakes. You can use any cookie cutters you have. Actually, I envy people having Christmas gingerbread men because I've been thinking about having them for so long, but it's sold out everywhere. So I guess just gotta use what we have. Voila! It's not too bad, right? Super cute. And then here's the tricky part, slightly tricky part. I'd recommend using an offset spatula to help you remove the cookies and place them onto the baking sheet lined with baking mat or baking paper. After the first rolling, you can reassemble the dough again, roll it out again, so you can have multiple batches. I made around 30 cookies out of this dough. See how cute they are. Place them on a lined baking sheet, evenly spaced. Put them into the oven to bake for about 10 to 12 minutes. Bake until they are golden brown, and then let them sit on the wire rack to cool down completely so they will harden up and become very crunchy. You can decorate them with some icing sugar if you want, but mine are already good enough, so that's it. My favorite ones are probably the snowman and the snowflakes. These gingerbread cookies are super crunchy, gingery. This is probably my favorite gingerbread cookies ever. Let me know if you try, and thanks for watching until now. See you next time. Merry Christmas. Bye.
Okay, start.
Okay, look, it's Santa. Goodbye, Santa.
Do you want me to pose it? Tastes good.
That's good.
Tastes good. Is it sweet enough? Like
Very
gingerbread?
gingery.
Gingery.
Sorry, Santa. It had to be done.
God. What are you doing?
Over.
You're a host today.